Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how can you fix Safari could not install our profile due to an unknown error. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you have to simply close this page, open your setting, and make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there is no connected VPN on your device. If there have any connected VPN, then turn it off and simply scroll down, tap here screen time, scroll down, tap here content and privacy restriction, and simply turn off this toggle and go back, open journal, tap here software update, and check if there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then go for the other solution. The other solution is simply go back, scroll down, and from here tap on Safari, and from here scroll down, tap here clear history and website data, clear history, and after this scroll down, tap here advanced, tap here website data, and from here guys simply remove all the website data, and after this simply go back and restart your device, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.